Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great and I hope you guys had a lovely weekend. If you didn't, I'm here to brighten your day. Are you new to this channel? Kindly click on the subscribe button. If you're not new to this channel and you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? And if you have subscribed, I really appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Thank you. You're my real G. Today, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this Leon eyeshadow look. I got this and I used this, which is the darkest orange here, and this, and I got this pack for 2,000 naira. Now this eyeshadow is not easy to use because it's loose eyeshadow. It gets messy when you're trying to apply it to your eyelid. So I used a technique to get it to stay on my eyelid. Now, if you want to see the technique I used, you have to watch this video till the end. So guys, stay tuned. that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys saw the technique I used. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any requests on any makeup tutorial you want me to do, kindly leave the requests in the comment section. Love you guys. Bye.